Johnny in nature.
What's up? I'm Johnny. Michael, or Johnny. I'm the founder of the Donkey Cafe and the Young Naturalist of Ohio from the year 2003. This is 21 years of hiking in free parks within a 50-mile radius of greater Cincinnati. I have American orange breakfast cake. I got Chilean yerba mate. I have French sourdough. And then I have locally harvest honey from St. Xavier High School. It's color coded, which is really nice. So we probably won't see any tiny warblers today, but that's better because you'll be able to identify the robin, the cardinal, the blue jay, the red-winged blackbird. But then right here, you can see that the stem is not red, just that little connection between the three leaves is red. Poison ivy, poison ivy. Let it be. If it's hairy, it's very scary. Poison ivy. The Cincinnati Nature Challenge is to collect data on all the organisms that are present in Hamilton County, but strictly Cincinnati today.
It was amazing. We saw so many beautiful flowers and plants and woodpeckers, lots of trees.
Yeah, the bread's amazing. Hike was good.
If I were to give it a review, it'd be 10 out of 10. Probably a top 5 moment in my life. This exact hike. So yeah,